What Action Jackson is cooking? Dun-dun. What's up, guys? This is Action Jack Fitness. This is David Action Jackson from Action Jack Fitness. And, well, I'm here to give you guys a little insight on what I'm about to tell you. So, here's my insight on what I want to tell you. What I want to tell you is, so I've been working on some stuff. Working on some heavy stuff. Heavy stuff. So, the first thing I want to tell you guys is, I changed my whole game plan. Bodybuilding, yes, but I'm gonna start like doing just random stuff, throwing random stuff up here. Occasionally it'll be workouts, like just typical how to do this and how to do that. But for right now, change my channel up a little bit, have a little bit of comedy in it. Um, well, just throw it out there. I picked up some talents. I'm not gonna lie, they're a little bit weird. But, you know what they say, right? Whatever happens on YouTube, or what happens in the real world stays on YouTube, so it's alright. It's going down. Anyways, guys, gals, prepare yourself. Ladies, get in the seat. I just want to let you know now, this is going to make you extremely probably turned off, but, you know, turn you on. So guys, show yourself this is some quality guide time. We are breaking guide code right now. So, the first thing I'd like to just say is, well, other than picking up some talents, are you picking up what I'm about to put down? Guys, it's going to make you get women to your door, from the door to the ocean floor. I'm about to tell you right now, this is how it's about to go down, so yeah, here we go. Now, I picked up a talent called making animal sounds, and it's not really, it's actually pretty funny. So here we go. Alright. Here we go. So, typically, we all know that people can't make animal sounds. I mean, they can, and at the same time, they can't. So I'm going to show you guys how to make a guinea pig sound. Yeah, I said it, guinea pig, because guinea pigs are cute. I don't know about that, because last guinea pig I had, he bit me, and it was over. So, just like that. No, nothing happened to him. He was fine after that. He had some hay, whatever. So, guys, here it is. You got buck your chest up. Buck your chest. No, don't do that. Don't buck your chest up. Here we go. So, you guys ready? Here we go. Alright. You guys look ready. You ready, rookies? Because here we go. First sound I'm going to make, this is going to scare you. It's a bird. A little bird I like to call a sparrow. I don't even know if it's a sparrow or not, but it's little, it's brown, it's annoying, sometimes flies around, and whatever. They run away from pigeons too, so here we go. See? 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 Now, you know that is annoying. On the other hand, if I was making that sound, you could probably see like a dog or a cat probably getting pissed at me. Now we're gonna make a guinea pig sound because I just love making this sound and then asking the question, did you hear that? Here we go, guys. Guys and gals, ladies, this is for you. It's gonna turn you on. I'm just gonna show these guys up. Show you right now, breaking guy code all over the East Coast. Here we go. If you didn't hear that, we'll replay our full code. Hold on, guys. Hold on. We gotta replenish this. Okay, we're good. One more time. Now, keep in mind, you didn't hear in the beginning of the video, this is total randomness. So, yeah. This is me being me on a normal day. Any other day is still going to be me being me, or whatever. Okay, here we go. Had to get that out. Sorry, guys. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that is your lesson for today. How to break guy code. I was about to say kite code, but, you know, guy code, you can break guy code anytime. Because that gecko is always messing stuff up. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies, I hope that turns you. Yeah. Alright, well, I'll see you guys later, you fancy little hood animals. Yeah. See you guys later.